Go,
sit in
go,
it?
go.
No, not your thing?
Not yet.
Last year she was in that bunting, remember? That one-piece bunting?
Yeah.
Oh, poor Aunt Michelle's covered in snow.
Oh no, it's okay. Are you eating it?
Gabrielle,
Oh,
where's
not
the
on my
snow?
phone.
Snow! Where's Daddy?
Gab, here.
Gab, look.
Look.
Mitten balls.
I
She
can't
doesn't
tell.
know to stick her thumb in. Oh, there you go. That's better. This poor kid is congested again.
Gab,
Oh, I can't
Gab,
take
you
it.
know what this is? Snow.
Gab, say snow.
Snow.
She's so bundled right now that
Yeah.
I don't even think it's gonna matter.
No.
Okay.
What? Again? You want to sit in it?
Here, put it right.
You try again?
Poor Aunt Michelle.
Yay.
You want the snowball?
Gabrielle, this is snow. Make a snowball. Look. Make a snowball. It's not so hard.
I know.
It's hard to